Okay, so today I'm going to go over the installation on one of these PayRange devices on a Huebsch front load washing machine. Now it's pretty much the same for a Speed Queen and Alliance. This is an Alliance C2 harness. And before we get involved with anything on the back of our PayRange device, it's very important that you do this first. These four little switches back here, you got to make sure they're set in the right position. So before we begin, we're going to set switch 1 in the on position. Switch number 2 is going to be set in the off position, being that this is a washing machine. And then switch number 3 will be on as well. And switch number 4 is pretty much just a dead switch, so it doesn't matter if that's on or off. So once you get that done and situated, we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up this front panel and move on to the next step. So to get this into program mode, you open up the front panel and little white button back here. Push that down for about a second and then we'll let it go. And you hold, and there we go. So now that we're in rapid, we're gonna go up to program. You hit start. We're gonna go up to pulse. Check it on pulse. 0. Make sure it's set to 25. And then if it shows cycle, you're done. You just back out, so now it shows the price. So now we're gonna go ahead and connect the blue key actually to the main board here. So just like with a Huebsch 60-pound washing machine, we're gonna go ahead and use the same connections. Will be this one and this here. And what it's gonna do on the back of your machine here on the control board, that's where we're gonna plug the one. And right here is where we'll get the power for our blue key. So let's go ahead and plug that in and I'll show you what it looks like once it's all set up. So I plugged the blue key pulse into that 7-pin slot there. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it some power. As you can see, there you go. Your blue key device is now powering up. And from here, you're gonna have to go into your app and we're gonna register the device and make sure all our settings are correct and the prices or everything are good in the app. And then there you go, your PayRange device is set up and ready to go.